Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Ajio haul. I bought a few clothes from Ajio and I'll be showing it to you. So let's begin this video. So the first top that I bought is for 180 rupees and this is the top. It's from the brand Fit and it has a square neck and puffed hands. And this is a cotton material, so it's really good and I got it just for 180 rupees. I think it's a great deal and it's very comfortable and I just love this top. So you have to size down for this particular top because this is a small size top and you can see it's really big. So this is how it is.
Like a bird on a tree.
So this top is very comfortable and for 180 rupees it's a great deal. And the next t-shirt I bought from the brand Difference of Opinion and this is how the t-shirt looks like. It has a crepe neck and it retails for 370 rupees. And the material is very soft and comfortable.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
So I just love this t-shirt and I think it's a very good deal for 370 rupees. And the next thing that I bought is this shirt. It is by the brand DNMX and I have paid 670 rupees for this shirt. And I think it's a very good deal because the material is cotton and it's very comfortable. And I was looking for a shirt like this and I think Ajio has a great range of t-shirts and shirts. So you should check it out.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
I also purchased a couple of denim jeans for myself and this is one of them. This is by the brand DNMX and it retailed for 1000 rupees. I really like the jeans because it's very comfortable. It's not too tight and it's not too loose. It's somewhere in between and I really like the comfortness of this jeans. So I love DNMX products and in Ajio you can get a lot of discount on this brand. And the next jeans is by the brand Coty and this is a black jeans with the elastic in the waist area. So I really didn't like the material of or the color of this jeans because the color looks faded and I've paid 780 rupees for this. So I don't think the color is going to last for long, so I'm definitely going to return this product. And I did not like the fit of this jeans because it was tight in the upper area and in the bottom it was kind of loose. So I did not like this product and I think yeah, I'm definitely going to return this because you can see the color also has faded in certain parts of the jeans and the material and the finish of the jeans is also not that great because the threads are coming out and it doesn't look as a neatly stitched jeans. So I'm definitely going to return this product. The next top I bought is from the brand Sarah and this is the top that I'm wearing right now. It is an animal print with a puffy hand. I love puffy hands nowadays and it also has a V neck which makes it more elegant. And I also love the way the material is sitting on my body because it's not too sticky. It just fits in your body really well.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time.
I enjoyed shopping in Ajio app. I will be shopping more because they have great discounts and the prices are really less and I just love the material and the quality of the clothes that they provide. So that was all about today's video. I hope you liked it. If so, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.